Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So this is my first live stream. So I think I'll wait for some time if someone joins me. So I'm Neel, and let me wait for some time. So is there anyone joining? Okay, I think there is one viewer. Please say something on the chat so that we can carry on our discussions now regarding mobile applications and web related stuff. So hello, hello Rimpy.
Hello everyone, welcome to Neel's World. This is an update.
Okay. If you have any questions, you can shoot here, and I'll talk about technology related to Android applications or anything related to web technologies and all. If you have any questions regarding Android applications and all, you can shoot here in the live chat and all. So I think only one has joined here. So we will wait for some time. Okay, nobody is joining here. So this channel, I'll talk about my channel. This channel is about Android applications and all. So first of all, let me tell you what are my favorite applications for mobile content creation. The first thing is the camera. All the phones that we have today have excellent camera if you compare it to 5 years back. But to get a good camera, you need to get a good phone first. So in today's world, I think the Pixel 4a, in today's terms, Pixel 4a provides you a very good camera at a very excellent price point. Around 30,000 rupees, you will get a very good camera from Pixel 4a. Apart from that, if you have any camera, you can use it to shoot videos and shoot photos and all. And after you shoot videos and photos, what will you do? You will either edit it or you'll post it to your, what do you call, social media or YouTube thing. So I'll talk about what are the apps that I use to edit videos on mobile. So there are many apps, but what I like most is the application called KineMaster. KineMaster is a very good mobile video editor. It comes both free as well as paid version. So if you want to know how you can get KineMaster, it's very simple. You go to Play Store or in Android App Store, you will get KineMaster. You can download easily. So KineMaster comes also has a premium version. It has a free version which has a limitation of some of the assets that are not available for the free version, as well as if you get the premium version, you also get rid of the watermark. If you export using KineMaster, you will get a watermark in your exported video footage. So to try how to do mobile video editing, you can always go ahead and try KineMaster first, and then if you are satisfied, you can go ahead and buy that. It is around 1500 or 2000 rupees a year, I think. So it prices changes over time. And let us see how many other viewers I can see that only 2 are there. So if you have any questions, just please type in the chat box, live chat. So the first thing I was talking about KineMaster, and once you have KineMaster, you can easily edit it, and it has a lot of different assets like animations, transition effects, music tracks. It has got video effects, it has got text effects and everything. So it's a full-fledged mobile video creation studio, you can say. It also has a camera inbuilt which doesn't produce good result. The next in the app list is for video editing. For video editing, there is a very good free app called Snapseed, which you will find in a Google Play Store. It is, by the way, it is by Google itself. So Snapseed has a very powerful editing features. So you can get very good results out of a free software. And the next on the list about app suggestion is Lightroom by Adobe. Lightroom is a well-known editing software from Adobe, which is available in the desktop versions for a pretty long time. The mobile versions came, I think, in 2015, maybe 2015-14, the mobile version came. Lightroom also has a free version. It also has a premium subscription. All Adobe products are now subscription based. So if you have an Adobe subscription for the starter subscription photography plan, you will get Lightroom Premium for free that you can use in your any device, in your mobile phones, like it's iOS or whether it is Android, it doesn't matter. And the free version also has a lot of pretty nifty features which you can use easily. So only 2 are there. So let me go on talking about my favorite apps. So I think now I'm talking to only 1 or 2 persons. So hopefully some more will join if they get to know about the stream or if they are interested. And the next thing about Lightroom is that it has got pretty, powerful effects like split toning, color grading, etc., which is not available in any other mobile editing software. They are available, but they do not a good job. Snapseed and Lightroom, they both are very good, and every photographer who uses a mobile phone to take photos and edit those, post it to Instagram and all, should install Snapseed or Lightroom. So once you use them, you'll find their true potential. Snapseed till now is free. Google is gracious enough to give it free, but it may get a price point later on. And about video editing apps, apart from KineMaster is the most used video editors among mobile content creators in the world. On Android, probably on iOS, maybe there is LumaFusion, there is some Videolip, etc. are available. There is free app called Vlog Now, or for short VN, which is also pretty powerful, which is which gives a pretty user-friendly interface to edit your videos and all. The next thing on the line is one more video editor called VLLO. VLLO is also a very good video editor. So I was thinking of something like a discussion where there will be people asking some questions and all. So there is some problem with my internet connection. So there is a problem with my internet connection. So I'll have to stop the stream right now because I am getting some internet connectivity issues. So let me check. I'll pause the video. I'll take a break in the meantime and I'll come back in a minute. Is the stream okay? So the stream doesn't seem to be okay because I'm getting some error here. I can't say because yes, I think it's back. I think it's back. Okay. If anyone is watching, please shoot your questions so that I can answer them. Oh, this has been a kind of a talking to the blank camera. Okay, so then let's continue my talk about mobile content creation. So I was talking about video editing apps and what do you call photo editing apps. So I've talked about KineMaster, VLLO, VN. So these three are three are the very good apps that you can use for free. KineMaster has a paid plan which gives you a lot of. Hi Sajjadul. Okay, Sajjadul, you can shoot your messages. I don't have much of a viewer right now, so if you can ask something, I can answer those. So I was talking about video editing or mobile photo editing applications. So if you have any questions, please tell me, because this is my first live stream and I do not have much of an experience in live streaming. And also reply me with what kind of a what do you call the quality of stream, because I'm using mobile internet connectivity, so it doesn't have much of a bandwidth. Okay, so there are 4 or 5 people right now. So if you have any queries regarding mobile applications, just please put it in the live chat box. Yes, Adobe Spark is good. If you have photography plan, you get Adobe Spark without the watermarks. Yes, I use it myself. It makes a lot of beautiful graphics. I mostly use Canva, but Adobe Spark, I have it. I have a photography plan of Adobe, so I have it for free without the watermark. Even the free Adobe Spark is very good. It has got a lot of features, but the paid one has very good assets which are exclusive to the subscription based model. So I think you use Adobe Spark for your marketing of your app and all. I think the app that you use is Adobe Spark for your marketing materials and all, for your applications, delivery app, right? And you can also use Canva. Canva has a very good library of templates and all, and it's improving day by day. Adobe recently has also introduced a background removal feature in Spark, but still buggy as far as I have tasted. And Canva already has its background removal tool in the desktop version. Now recently they upgraded their mobile version to get the background removal tool, which works very fine. So Spark is good. I think Canva is better. There is one more called Crello, Crello. Crello, that also does the similar job to Spark and what you call this Adobe this Canva. I will put everything in the description later on. This time I was not ready enough to give you all the app list. I'll put a list of the apps that is there in the description as video later on. Once the video goes after the live stream, you can come back and check the description for all the apps that I mentioned here. There is one more, that Crello I was talking about. So Crello and Canva, they both are very good. And what else you want to know, you can just simply shoot your questions there, I think. And about if I go on talking about photo editing apps and this Canva kind of thing. So Canva also has a very good feature in the premium version, which gives you content scheduling. That means you can schedule your post, you can connect your Instagram account or Facebook accounts to Canva, and you can schedule your post so that you can schedule it at different times or different dates in a week or so. So you can have a calendar beforehand for consistent upload of posts to your social media. So Canva has that feature recently added to their premium subscriptions. I think the Canva is around 590 rupees per month if you subscribe through the mobile app. But if you go to the canva.com, okay, app without coding. So I do not have much of an idea about app making, but I have seen a lot of applications in the Google Play Store. But once I tried one or two apps, but I did not find them very useful enough. And maybe it is my technologically impaired brain about coding, so that I could not understand the thing. You may search Google Play Store about that. There are a lot of applications. You can easily search them. If I find something related to that, because I am not into coding and I am not into app development, you guys do that. So I think you will find in Google Play Store. You check the reviews and all, and you will find a good app to do that. And so that is what I talk about and what I know about app making and all. And I mostly I can talk about what kind of web services that you can use for your website creation and all, for your services and all, and what apps you can use for content creation, creativity, photography, videography, etc. And also for office works. This coding is a little bit of off track for me at present. So there are many people who also wants to make simple apps without coding. So there are solutions in the Google Play Store, but I don't think how well they are made. Okay, Sajjadul, I think you can ask anything about other thing if you have any questions in mind, apart from app development and all, because okay, let's talk something about what kind of web services or website hosting services that I use, or what is the best way to get good domain name. apart from this mobile and technology, and I also have interest in website design and all. So I can talk about what web services that you can use, which gives you proper good speed on their servers and all, and also what is the which helps user to create simple website few clicks. Okay, simple website few clicks. There are certain web services. I mean called SaaS software WAS, WAAS, website as a service. The first thing is there is Squarespace. I think Squarespace also provides simple steps for website making. There is Wix. Wix is very popular. So it gives you a very easy interface, template base, which anyone can create a website in a in a few clicks. Wix and Squarespace are very good, I think, in my opinion. So you can try Wix. So there are a lot of Wix sites, but the drawback of Wix, where Wix is thing, it's not properly search engine optimized, in my view. It's better to go with WordPress, because nowadays if you use WordPress and if you use team builders like Elementor, the job becomes very easy, because all those team builders like Elementor and Divi, they have their drag and drop facilities, which helps the users to create beautiful looking websites without knowing much of a coding. So I'll even if websites which give simple websites in few clicks, like you said, I think for website it's better to go with WordPress, because it will give you a lot of flexibility in future. And along with WordPress, if you use Elementor or Divi for team making or for designing the website, the whole process becomes easier, because there are a lot of ready-made templates as well, which will help you. Elementor is the best thing that you can get for website designing using WordPress. It has a free version, or it also has a pro version. The free version, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is available for WordPress. It's a plugin which will help you set up your web shop and all. So WooCommerce also has paid plans, I think. So I have not used WooCommerce myself, but this is the best industry standard for web shop using WordPress and this plugin WooCommerce. So Elementor will help you get a better WooCommerce designed site. I think Elementor has their inbuilt WooCommerce support, so it will help you if you have Elementor along with WooCommerce. So that combination, Elementor plus WooCommerce, will be much more beneficial for one who designs websites having a web shop. So there is something called Shopify also for web shops. WooCommerce is the industry standard, so you can go ahead with, because you are using with WooCommerce, so you can carry on using that one. Okay, about website, and we can talk about how we can get a good domain name from good domain registrar. There are a lot of domain registers where you can get domain names and all, but I will suggest you to get domain names only from Namecheap, because it has a very good price point, and the best feature it provides free with all the domain names is the privacy protection, which the other registrars mostly charge an extra bit of money along with their regular renewal fees. So if you have to buy one domain name, new domain name, you go ahead with Namecheap. It has got cheap plans for domain names, as well as it provides domain privacy protection without any extra cost. But some of the domains with TLDs limited to not having some privacy protection, because it's restricted by the government rules not to have some domain privacy. So I think .in domains will not have a domain privacy. Other domains will have domain privacy free of cost if you buy from Namecheap. And Namecheap also has web hosting services, which is not rated well among the reviewers. So I will not suggest using their web hosting services. Only use Namecheap for buying web URL. Okay, I'll put the URL URL on the description later on. And this is the website namecheap.com, so you can use that to get better domain names. You can buy domain names from Namecheap, which is very good. They have a good support service as well, but don't buy their hosting packages. They are not well reviewed. They are cheap, but they are not well reviewed. For cheap domain, for cheap web hosting, you can consider Hostinger or Hostinger.com, which provides pretty cheap web hosting services, but those will be shared hosting. And I'm having some issues with my screen transitions and all, so sorry for that. Okay, and if you want suggestions regarding hosting services, I will suggest you to get hosting from SiteGround if you can give that much of money for it. SiteGround is cheap in terms of their service offering, and also you can go to namehero.com. They provide good service at a good price point. Those are they provide shared hosting. Also, they provide dedicated hosting or VPS hosting. For cloud hosting, you can use DigitalOcean, Google Cloud, Amazon AWS, or Vultr HF, Fuel Tier HF. So those services you can get from cloudways.com. So Cloudways will provide you managed web hosting services regarding with this cloud hosting providers like Google and all. So you don't have to do anything by yourself. The Cloudways will provide you the managed services. Yes, Amazon AWS is very good. It's their servers are also in India, so we will not have those data protection laws coming in your way. So I think AWS also has server in Mumbai. So for Indians, Amazon AWS will be good. So if you can afford it. So I think it has got this pay as you go plans for AWS. And I think for new users, it is free for a year. And I have not myself used AWS, but I use DigitalOcean services with managed hosting by WPMU, Dev, and Cloudways. So for WordPress hosting, they have got a lot other bells and whistles along with this hosting only. So AWS is good for people like you who can have all the tinkering by themselves and all. For me, who do not know coding and who do not know much of an insight into the server system, the managed hosting is good. Free plan, yes, there is a free plan which is okay, 30 GB. It's there for 30 GB AWS. Okay, I think it's for only 1 year. After 1 year, you'll move into a paid plan maybe. Okay, 1500 plus per month or per year? Per month. Okay, that's good. It's not a big deal. It's now I think it's $20 per month. For AWS, they provide good service. Their speed is very good. So $20 per month for AWS is pretty cheap. If you go to managed AWS hosting, I think it will be more than that, more than upwards of $30 and all. So for managed hosting, you can try Cloudways. It offers hosting for I think $10 or $13 using Vultr HF, Vultr high frequency, which is very fast for websites. For you, like AWS, you can carry on with that. But for those, okay, yes, this is complex to understand AWS plans and all. So because it requires some kind of technical knowledge for people like me and for people who are starting their websites and all. So AWS is not a suggested one. I think they should go with managed hosting or shared hosting like the traditional hosting companies and all. Like SiteGround is there, Name Hero, there is something called Green Geeks. So those will provide good shared hosting services. So for people who wants, you will have one instance means one VPN. Okay. Is it a VPN or VPS? I think it's virtual private server or virtual private network. Okay, whatever. Uh, yes, with one instance means one VPS. Okay, those VPS hosting will always be costly. So you can have more than one instance, but that will add up to the total server resources, and that will add up to more. I think more money. Because those things are very technical, so I do not I never had tried those technical stuff like this hosting with AWS and all. So I am using managed hosting, so I simply get to click and get website running by simply some following some clicks and all. So for Cloudways provides you DigitalOcean services. Cloudways provides you Amazon services. Cloudways provide you Google services. Cloudways provide you uh, Vultr HF services. So all services in one platform. So it's pretty nifty to get services like from operators like Cloudways or WPMU. And there are some more. Kinsta. Kinsta is very costly. There is something called Flywheel. Yes, more instance means more money. So that is obvious because you will be using their server space that will be running, so you'll have to pay more. And what else if you would like to, one instance free for 1 year up to 50k INR. Okay, but after that you'll have to pay, right? So for the first year it will be free, but after that once you set it up for your business, for your purpose, you can move away, because after that you'll have to pay the required amount of bill. So that will become costly, because if it is free for the first year with 50k INR, and then from the next year you have to pay 50k, because you will have to pay, because for the first year it is free, but after that you'll have to pay. And you cannot just simply shut down your business like that, because it is free, we are running our business, and after that it's the payment starts, you stop your business. It's not like that. So you have to be ready with the with a mind to pay for the service that you get. It's for those, the free plan is for those who wants to try it out before actually jumping with their whole everything, bag and baggage. I mean, they do not put all their business into it. They try it first and then move. If it is okay, they will carry on. If it is not okay, then they will move over to something else. So this plan, I think this model is for those people who will change, who has a mind to try first and then go all in. One instance 50k, it will be pretty costly for average Indian people. For a business it is okay. And AWS provides a lot of because its scalability is very good, because once your business grows you have to scale it up to different huge scale, so the scalability is there, so it will help you. So I think there are 3 people currently watching this. If you have any other questions apart from Shadjadul and all, please shoot your questions. So next day, next Tuesday, I'll put some today it's been half an hour, so as a first day for streaming, I think I have talked enough, and I was not ready to give you all the links to all the apps that I mentioned. I'll put it in the description later on. And yes, AWS is very fast. That's why they are taking those kind of money. Yes, for you it's not a big deal, because you're running a business, you need the speed to get to the customers and all. For a business purpose it's okay. And what I was talking about an individual, like someone who wants to start a blog, someone who wants to start a small portfolio website and all. For them, I think this kind of money is not a good starting point. For them, a simple shared hosting which is available for around 300 to 500 rupees a month will be suitable to start with. Later on they can still buy proper storage space like you. So that 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 50K, it's worth it because they give you the speed that you require for your business to grow, and the scalability is a very good add-on, because once you grow you cannot stop, you have to keep growing. So that is why that they're taking the money. So if you are happy, that's okay. If you're happy with the service and if you're happy paying them, so it's okay. But for people who just want to start with a website, so AWS along with its complexities is not recommended by me. So they can go ahead with a simple blogging platform like Blogger if they want to do it for free, or WordPress.com instead of hosted WordPress website. So they can go with those free plans as well, like blogger.com or WordPress.com. And also there is a platform called medium.com where bloggers can write their articles and well monetize them, because medium.com has a very good reach. So medium.com is a very good blogging platform for free. It is monetized because medium.com is have a it has a subscription model. So people who wants to read more articles in a month, I think they get around 3 articles per month free. There are different types of articles, some are premium. So after 3 articles are read, so you have to pay money. So it comes around $5 a month for medium.com as an user. So as a writer, so these kind of money which are put into medium.com by the subscribers go to monetization of articles by users. So medium.com can be a good thing for those who wants to start a blog and later on can move to different platform once they build up a good audience. For business, AWS is good as always. So so is there anyone, if someone would like to ask something, if there is someone else? So I think I will stop today because it's half an hour, it's 40 minutes I'm talking. Like next day we will talk about how we can grow, use different kinds of web services to grow our business. Like as you told, AWS is one of them. I'll show what are the different websites that you can use using screencasting software or my screen. What are the different websites that you can visit to get some good bang for buck. And also there is a good thing coming up this month. So if you have to buy some web services, so please hold back till the next week or so, because the Black Friday deals are coming. The Black Friday is on November 27th, I think. So during the November 27th Black Friday time, there are a lot of online deals being put forward by many web hosting or web designing or web services. So at that time a lot of deals will come. So hold back if you have to buy something online till the Black Friday deals come online. So wait for some time. For those people who wants to get WordPress and also want to try Elementor Pro, so they will be providing 25% discount on this Black Friday. So wait till this Black Friday to get Elementor Pro, because it costs around $50 per year for a single license for a single website. So you can save 25% out of that if you wait for some more days. So with this I will end this session. Next Tuesday we will I will again come online and to see what we can do using web services, using Android applications and all. If you have any queries, I'll put a link to a Google form later on in my in my channel. So if you have if you come to my channel and you can put that put your queries on that Google form, and I will get those queries beforehand so that I can be prepared to answer your queries during the live session. Or also you can write ask in the live chat. So the people who have joined right now, so hello to all of you. I think there are some people joined now. So if you would like to ask something, I'm still here waiting for some more people. So if you are there, you can ask something. If you want to know something about Android applications, I can talk up something about iOS applications as well, but not fully. Also web services like different website creation software or different web hosting companies and how to buy domain names and all. So I can give you an idea if you do not have an idea right now. Okay, and I think no, there are no more questions right now. People, so if you just to before I end this live stream, just if you have liked my videos, if I talk about Android applications and all, you can browse listings in my videos in my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, and I'll be putting these live videos more often from next month. And from next month, I'll be coming live twice a week. So this month, I'll be coming next Tuesday as well at the same time. So till then, see you and bye for today. And if you have any queries, you can still put in the chat box. I'll try to reply to those queries and all. And if you have liked this video a little bit, at least if I could help you a little bit, please hit the like button. So it will help me grow the channel a little bit, because I have only small amount of followers. Okay, and thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much for joining this live chat and all. So see you in the next live chat, live streaming in the next week, next Tuesday at the same time. In the meantime, I will upload some videos related to Android applications and web services. Those will be regular videos, and I'll be coming to next Tuesday live as well at the same time. So till then, bye bye. Have a safe, what do you call, safe tomorrow. Thank you.